Have a blissful day, everyone, especially to our beautiful instructor, Miss Dison. So we are the group 10 and our topic is plant taxonomy. But before anything else, let me introduce my group mates. This is Miss Jinka Rodriguez, will be report the different taxonomic, and followed by Miss Abigail Morados, which she is be report the different taxonomic characteristic. So once again, good day everyone. I am Angela Cadusali. I will be the first reporter. Number 1 question. What is the importance of plant taxonomy? First, to arrange element or taxa of plants into a more systematic manner so they can be better understood and could be used easily and more effectively. And second, to arrange data or information and knowledge about plants. Third, to indicate the source and genetic relationship, phylogenetic ancestry and origin of plants. And the last 4, to indicate the distribution and habitat of plants on Earth and their benefits. Number 2 question. What is nomenclature of plant necessary? So, nomenclature of organism provides a means of communication and is an ambiguous reference system about the elements that constitute biodiversity. The application of the rules of the code and taxonomic studies involving chains of description of taxon result in nomenclature, chains, and synonyms. Number 3 question. Give the definition of the following terms. A. Kingdom, the highest level in a classification animals and plant kingdom. B. Division. The number of groups in this taxon is not fixed. It depends on the classification system. Based on similar characteristic observation on a few elements or organ. C. Class. The number of groups in this taxon is also not fixed depending on the classification system. Separation is based on important basis difference that exists between the group. D. Order. Separation is based on more convincing genetic relationship which earlier had been detected at the class and division level. E. Family. Based on more characteristic confer to order, class, and division, the morphology characteristic of reproductive organ. If genus. Genus is involved more similar characteristic including a closer family relationship, but they do not cross is a hybrid cross. Those occur the offspring are normally interlinked of will not survive. Z. Species. A species is often defined as a group of individuals that actually or potentially interbreed in nature. The definition of species as a group of interbreeding individuals cannot be easily applied to organisms that reproduce only or mainly sexual. Also, many plants and some animals form hybrids in nature. Species is a group of organisms that can be reduced with one another in the nature and produce forthright offspring. Species can also define based on a shared evolutionary history and ancestry.
The artificial system its classification was based on the presence or absence of a few morphological or vegetative characteristics that were used for grouping of organisms or differentiating one group of an organism from another. The natural system of classification is based on all known taxonomic characteristics, including anatomical, biological, cytological, morphological, psychological, and other organisms. The phylogenetic system is based on the genetic and phylogenetic relationships beside taxonomic characters. The mechanical classification uses one or few selected taxonomic characters to group taxa system.
Taxonomic characteristic may be defined as any expressed attribute of an organism that can be evaluated and that has two or more discontinuous state or continuous. The taxonomic value of a characteristic is increased if the biological significance of the characteristic has been determined. However, the biological significance of many taxonomic characteristics is unknown or poorly understood. There are 7 main taxonomic ranks: kingdom, phylum or division, class, order, family, genus, species.